got this new eyeliner from Benefit. I know it's not brand new, but it's brand new to me. And I bought the mini version. This is the Benefit Roller Liner and is a true matte liquid liner. They also have like a roller mascara. I never use that because they don't have waterproof. So, and I only use waterproof. You'll see if you watch my videos of all my mascara reviews. But I will also leave this listed down below if you want to check it out. I did use it once before, so I'm going to do a tutorial, show you how it works, and tell you my review after using it before. What do I think? Pretty nice size. I love this packaging. Before I apply it, if you like this makeup, I am in the middle of filming this review of this beautiful palette that I just got from Lawless, so just make sure to check out for that video. I believe that video is going first. So before we get started in the application, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Right, let me know, do you like liquid liners or do you not even bother with liner at all? This one here says is made in Germany. I will leave the price right here of how much it was. Also, they have the regular size. If you really like this and you just want to go straight for the big one, then do that. This is what it looks like. That's the tip. I'm not the best at eyeliner, but I will show you how this works, especially that I have here like different metallic shimmers, mattes. Let's see how well it glides on top of it, if there's any issues. Yes, I have used it before, but not with like all these like maybe shimmers, glitters like that. I'm just gonna look down. I usually start from here. This is not like an eyeliner to tell you how to do your eyeliner. Everybody does it different, but it's just for you to see how it works, how black it looks. So as you see, there's no tugging. It's really jet black, which I love. And you either leave it like that or do your wing. I usually do a wing, and even for my wing, like, it doesn't tug. It's crazy. Not all of them do that for me. So I feel like it gives you like good control. It's not like a super dry formula. It's not a super wet formula. I think the formula is just perfect. There you go. Now I have to do this side. Wish me luck because I'm a lefty. This side is always like, okay, but this side is a struggle. Maybe I'll have to fast forward it. And don't mind this. If you were seeing this the whole time, this is just my swatches of this beautiful palette. Uh-oh. I know they're not the same. I know this one's higher, but story of my life. But just look at it. It's really nice. You can go really thin, you can go thick. I just love this color so much. And this does tend to get dirty when I try to close it, or maybe because I'm just clumsy, it just gets dirty there. But yeah, I do wish the closing of this was different. I really do, because it doesn't like snap or anything, but it's not that it's loose either. But this is how it looks. It's super black. You see I have mattes, shimmers, and the eyeliner doesn't even look dirty. Like nothing stuck to it, but I don't know. This formula is different. It's not like super chalky glittery. I would recommend it. I have used it before. I didn't see anything like flaking or coming off at all. That's what's most important, right? You know it's gonna stay in place the whole day. I like it. A lot of you guys like matte. I like matte. If you like shiny, this is not shiny, as you see, super matte. And it is completely dry. So if you're in a hurry, this is great. If you just want to try the mini, then I'll leave it down below, and I'll also leave the regular size down below. Let me know what you pick. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to watch all the other liquid liners that I have reviewed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.